Well, added scale once you get up close and get to know it. It's very interesting, very, very interesting.
On the scale of 1 to 10, I've seen Niagara Falls.
Yeah.
I haven't seen Victoria Falls in Africa. But on the scale of 1 to 10, I'd say that's about an 0.2.
It's quite a cute little setup. This is this narrow crevice in some fairly massive rock, letting this little trickle of water down in a very interesting way.
This in itself is a major accomplishment. Especially right now, if you were thirsty and hadn't had anything to drink in 2 or 3 days.
Are you wanting to cut across there, you think?
Let's head back.
Let's
We've
head
seen
back.
our waterfall. What you think?
Yeah, I think we're good. Whoa. I caught myself kind of bouncing along there, and I thought, well, you're heading towards the wet part. You want to be bouncing around when you get over there. Oh, what did my sock? My sock couldn't have went back up, but it... Did I tie it? It almost seems like it went back up. I mean, you know, it's weird.
There's more to see.
Ooh, you know, and it looks interesting both ways.
Coming and going.
Coming and going. Oh, I think I want to maybe from that side just take a couple with my camera.
I guess if you knew how to zoom it or doctor it up, you could make it look like it was a river.
Yeah.
They can do anything like that now.
Make a little look like a lot, for real. Photoshop.
Photoshop, that's the word I was looking for.
See, I wanted to just take that straight on, but with my camera, but